We are officially on to round 2 of this project. So what does round 2 mean? Well, first of all, I didn't even know there was going to be a round 2. Once we finished the first round of demo, we had our plumber come in so we can kind of discuss where we could put things, what makes the most sense, and what the layout of this room is going to be. It was then that he told us that he really needs to see under this plywood floor in order to get a full sense of what we're dealing with. The only problem is, this is our only door to our closet. Now this door is leaving. We were never planning on keeping it here, but we were not planning on getting rid of it quite this early. So the plan for today is we've got to clean out this closet. We're going to get rid of this door and we're going to put the door around the corner. The worst part of this project, 100% is going to be cleaning out this closet. But once that's done, I think the demo is going to go pretty easy. We have no pipes in these walls, no vents, and really I only have to take out probably 1 or 2 studs. So the whole process should go pretty smoothly, hopefully. But the only way to find out is to actually get in there and get started. Now I've procrastinated long enough. I really don't want to do this, but hopefully it goes quick and we can get it all out, because the sooner we can get it out, get it done, we can get that back in there and we won't have clothing and chaos everywhere, which Kevin, I'm sure, will not appreciate. So let's get started. For now, we're moving all of the clothing into the spare bedroom, and all I can say is we need to get this project done quickly because it looks like a bomb went off in there. Once the clothing was gone, I started taking down the shelves. I plan to reuse these in the closet for now, so I tried to salvage as much of the demo as possible. Eventually, we will be redoing the closet, but the master bathroom comes first. To take out the door frame, I took the door off the hinges and then used a crowbar to pry off the molding. The molding was the hard part. Once that was out, the interior frame came out pretty easily. Next came building out the wall. Since the studs for the door frame were already there, the new wall really only needed 2 things, a base and a stud in the middle of the opening. I started by fitting the bottom piece of wood and screwing it into the floor. Final stud needs to fit tight. Do you see me hammering into place? It should be that tight of a fit. The better your studs fit, the stronger your wall will be. This will help avoid your wall from having structural issues in the future. Finally, I fit the drywall and secured it in place. I know this was a short one, but stay tuned next week when we break down the new door opening and frame it out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to follow along.